you say that if that person was standing in front of you? Because behind every post is a human being, and behind every comment is a choice we make. Online, that one choice could have traveled further than we could have ever imagined. I recently studied the analytics of a social media post that was done on Saturday by one of our fellow contestants that reached 2.2 million views, and 86% of the audience were non-followers, and 59% of the audience was female. That should make us think. Molapeng, if we allow this culture to continue, what happens when it leaves the borders of Botswana? Once you open that digital door, you cannot control what comes through it. One comment can give the rest of the world permission to believe if her own people can do so, then it's acceptable for us to do so too. Me, ha go a siama. Mosadi ke thari ya setšhaba. You are my community, and I will fight for you. But when it's my turn to stand, I ask my community to stand with me. Our children are watching us. Our children don't just follow what we tell them. They also look at what we normalize. We become very good at giving online cruelty softer names. It's just a joke. It's just a comment. If you're online, you should expect it. I disagree. Visibility is not consent for humiliation. As a doctor, I've learned that well-being can extend way beyond what we can physically see. Words can affect our confidence, our dignity, your emotional well-being, and even someone's sense of belonging. As Botswana, we already have one principle that we already use to respond to, and that's botho. The recognition of one's humanity, dignity, and worth. So why should our values end when the internet begins? Botho belongs online too. We can disagree without degrading. We can criticize without humiliating. Or simply just don't comment. Because behind every post is a person, and behind every comment is a choice. I'm Boitumelo Mphusu. I choose kindness. I choose accountability. I choose Botho. Botho belongs online too. Let's end cyberbullying together. Technology is extraordinary. It builds businesses, it connects families, it educates us, and it also carries Botswana's voice around the world. The screen isn't the problem, it's the comments behind it that is. Before you post, pause. Ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? And would you say it if the person was right in front of you?